Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I'm gonna film my first ever pack with me. I don't think I've ever filmed like a pack with me before, but we leave for Texas tomorrow and I've been pre-filming all my content. So right now I'm going to pack up my makeup bag. I'm gonna pack up my like carry-on bag and my actual like bag that we're gonna have checked now. So I just want to take you guys along with me to show you guys what I'm gonna bring with me to Texas to do the Tim the Tatman tailgate. I'm so excited. So you guys want to see what I pack and whatnot, well then definitely keep watching. All right, so first things first, we had to figure out like what primer to bring. Since we're gonna be in Texas and it's gonna be really hot, I have to make sure I bring something that's gonna be, I would say, oil resistant. He keeps crying. What are you crying about, buddy? Huh? What are you crying about, huh? So I have to bring something that's like, I would say, what? So I have to make sure I bring something that's, I would say, oil free, but I'm gonna get oily. So I think I'm gonna bring what I wore to the Glam Light event because my makeup worked really well. So I think I'm gonna bring the Milk Hydro Grip Primer with the Tatcha. No, I didn't bring it with that. I mixed it with, this is what I mixed it with. I mixed these two together. And then I think I'm just gonna bring my Try and True favorite combo. And then I think for concealer, I think I'm actually gonna go with my Fenty Beauty because I freaking love my Fenty Beauty. And then for setting powder, I'm gonna mix, these are empty, but these are like literally empty. Like both these are empty. I actually luckily do have some spares. Like right here, I do have some backups. So I think I'm gonna bring these ones and I'm gonna toss these ones because these are literally empty. For bronzer, because I can't bring the entire like bronzer set from Lunar Beauty, I'm just gonna bring my Marc Jacobs because this is so much easier to travel with. It's nice and small. And then for blush, I don't want to bring a whole blush palette, so I think I'm going to bring my Patrick Ta because this is a really beautiful blush right there. And then for highlight, I don't think I'm going to bring highlight, or if I do, I think I'm going to bring my Ofra just because I could, this is like nice and small. This is the Milk and Cookies. I think I'll just bring this because it's very easy to travel with. I feel like I'm bringing too much already. Like, I don't know why I do this to myself, but I feel like I'm already bringing too much, but it is what it is. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to bring the Benefit Magnet, the Tarte, my roller. We're not going to judge. We're not going to judge, to separate. And then I needed like a white, was my lash food? Yeah, this one, my eyelash enhancer. Yeah, this one. I could bring like a little Patrick Star. I don't really care for it, but we'll just bring that. Oh, brows. Can't forget my brows. I am definitely overpacking. I am 100% overpacking. This is ridiculous. For lips, I need my Jaclyn lip liner. And then my go-to lip combo. Yes, but I also want to bring maple and, oh my gosh, y'all, I am being ridiculous right now. I don't need all this shit, but yet here we are. This is what my life has turned into ever since I became a beauty content creator, is I overpack makeup that I don't need, and yet here we are. I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. But the sad part is, I will use every single bit of this. I will use it all. This is my full face. This is how I make my full face.
Sitting Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears, but I see the light from...
Okay, I want to simplify this because in reality, I don't need to bring all this makeup. I just really over analyze it because the fact that, you know, I do this as like a full-time job. So like I over analyze how much makeup I actually need to bring. So I'm going to simplify it. I'm just going to bring one primer, one foundation, one concealer. I'm really going to try to simplify this. That way it's a lot easier. It's less I have to pack, less I have to worry about. I just get so in my head when it comes to makeup, but I don't even know why. I don't even know why. So let's try this again.
There'll be a time sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like, if they can be happy and...
Okay, so for the plane, I am bringing my iPad, but I'm also gonna bring a book. I'm currently reading Malibu Rising, but it's absolutely boring. I really am not into this book. It's really boring me. So instead, I'm gonna bring a different book. I'm actually gonna bring Where the Crawdad Sings because that is what my best friend Alyssa is about to read, and we wanna go see the movie together, but we wanna read the book first. So I just kind of gotta find it, like wherever I put it. I don't know. Okay, so it's not back here. I gotta find it so I can use that book, Where the Crawdad Sings. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this book with me on the plane because again, me and my best friend, we want to go see this together. So we're gonna read this first and then we're gonna go watch the movie. So this one I'm bringing on the plane. I'm also gonna bring like my iPad and whatnot. So now it's time to go pack the clothes. Also, look at my cool Stranger Things book bag. Corey bought this for me. He knows how much I love Stranger Things. So it says Stranger Things. This is the JanSports upside down, like the upside down 86. You are gonna have like the Dungeons and Dragons rolling dice right here, Hellfire Club on the inside. It does like have Hellfire, it has the bats, it has Stranger Things, everything for like Eddie. And then when you open it, that's how it looks on the inside, and that's where I'll put my laptop. But look how cool this is. This is such a cool book bag. I love Stranger Things so much, and this book bag is so cool. We did find it at Tilly's. It is currently sold out, but definitely keep an eye out because they are going to be restocking this. Okay, so I'm trying to go easy on the clothes. So I just have 2 pairs of shorts. I have 2 shirts and 2 tank tops, but I also have my outfit set up for tomorrow. I just have 1 sweater, and then I have like my underwear and my bathing suits down here. So all I have to do now is I kind of put my makeup in my like toiletry stuff, and then that side's complete for me, and then this side will be like Corey's side right here. So I'm trying to pack very lightly because I don't want to overdo it. Okay, so then I have like all these like little toiletries. So I have a razor, toothbrush, and toothpaste. I have like mini shampoos, hair products, and then makeup remover. And I also have this hydration to go. This is what my good friend Mikey gave me, and I've never been able to utilize it until now because I didn't want to bring a full range of skincare, but I want to make sure I can wash my face. And now I can. Thank you, Mikey. Okay, well, this over bag definitely came in handy. I'm gonna put this right here. Perfect. Okay, so we're pretty much packed. Right in here, I have my makeup bag. So both things are filled with makeup for the most part. I have 2 pairs of shirts, 2 pairs of tank tops, a pair of shorts. I have a sweater, and then I have my hair care products when I wash my hair and my face. I have my toiletry stuff in here. So this has like my toothbrush, my mouthwash, my tampons, my loofah, and everything in there. So those are set. Then I also have like my underwear, my bikini, and my face wash. I'm only gonna bring one bra because I only need one bra. And then in here is all of Corey's toiletry stuff because he's packing his clothes in a duffel bag as his carry-on. And then in here is all my medication. So I have like lactate pills, I have Pepto, I have Imodium, I have Dramamine, and then I will keep my Advil in my carry-on because you just never know. So that's gonna go right here. So I think we're pretty much packed. All I have to do is pack my book bag now, but I'm just gonna wait to do that a little bit later. So hopefully I have everything. I've never done one of these, so I feel like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing in terms of pack with me. So I'm just gonna put my book bag together. I'm not bringing too much stuff in my book bag. It's just more for like, I'm gonna have like little snacks that I buy at the airport. It's gonna have like my Advil and like that in it, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna put in my bag, and then I'll probably get some snacks at the airport that's gonna go in there as well. So let me show you. All right, so I'm gonna put my iPod, put it right in this little slot right here. All right, so we have my iPod in there. We're gonna have my headphones, that's gonna be in there. My AirPod Pros, because you just never know. It's gonna go in the front pocket. And then I'm also putting where the crawdad sings right in here. And then I'm probably gonna put a water and like some snacks right in here. And then I'm just gonna put like, like I said, some Advil and like lip oils and stuff like that like in there. But pretty much my book bag is gonna be pretty empty for the airport. I don't like to put too much in here because I do like to put like little snacks and whatnot, and I don't fly very often and I have everything packed. So that's pretty much it in terms of pack with me. I'm not taking too much because we're literally only gonna be there from Friday to Sunday. We literally fly back home Sunday. Our flight is at like 8 or 9 o'clock at night, and we don't get home until like midnight. So I don't need to bring too much stuff. I just want to do something a little different because I've never done like a pack with me before. And I'm really glad I kind of went through things because I was packing a lot of makeup, and I'm kind of glad I like narrowed it down. And we'll see if I even wear makeup. Well, I definitely wear makeup, but like y'all know what I mean. I just want to make sure I had like the essentials. And it's so funny because I was telling Corey, I was like, man, I pack like I'm going to the middle of nowhere. They're not gonna have anything. Like I'm pretty sure where I'm going, they're literally going to have so much stuff. Like they're gonna have Advil and tampon and like, you know, Tums if I needed, or bathing suits, deodorant, toothbrushes. Like they're gonna have all that. So I always pack like they're not gonna have anything like that, but they do. So I'm just crazy. But yeah, guys, that is my short little pack with me. I do have a pre-filmed video for you guys tomorrow, so you guys will not miss anything, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try to get back to all the comments that I can. Just know that like if I don't get back to your comments, not because I'm ignoring you, it's just because I'm literally running around. But I love you guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel, to R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey, and as always, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys have not subscribed, either way, thank you guys so much for everything. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye.